I've just had 2 exciting packages delivered. Don't you just love Mystery Tech Day? So I'm going to open them and you can see what I bought. For those that know me, you know that I love a bit of tech. Constantly looking at what's out there and wondering what I got. So, first one is, yes, first one is a, it's quite heavy. It is a multi-device charger, but this one is a bit special. I do have a couple of multi-chargers already. However, this one is powerful enough to charge my laptop, which I'm super excited about because it means that if I'm working away somewhere and I am off grid, I can have an extra charge of my laptop. Ooh, it's not too, oh, blooming heck, it's quite heavy, but that's okay because I'm going to be carrying it like on a motorbike or in a motorhome or something. So so yeah, I'm going to charge this bad boy up. Oh, it's got a cable in the end, look. Ooh. I'm going to charge this bad boy up and see if it can charge my laptop, which will be fab. It means that when the weather's nice, I can get out and about with my laptop and go and work from different places and not worry about my, oh, it's got another cable on the top. Look. And not worry about my laptop going dead. So yeah. Oh, it's retractable. Exciting. So yeah, so that is a battery charger. Well, you can also charge our phones and everything basically, but the other one isn't powerful enough to charge my laptop. Okay, package number 2. Let's get this one open. This one is the one that I'm really excited about. This one is some new wireless microphones, and 2 of them. So my microphone that I have currently that can connect to my phone and to my laptop is wired. I do have a USB mic which I use if I'm doing Zooms and things like that, but the one that I connect to my phone is a wired one. And I don't have 2, so I am gonna do something a bit exciting coming up, and I needed two microphones to go into one video, and I've been thinking about getting a wireless microphone for a while, so I will be testing these out to see what the quality's like, and it should literally just be a plug and play, I believe. So I will let you know how these go. But yeah, exciting tech day.